stranded outside or in your car during extreme cold, without a shelter or way to stop your core body temperature from dropping, you'll quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation, one that causes more deaths each year than every survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Bivy emergency sleeping bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Plus, our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core paracord, plus you have a multi-purpose utility cord you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that's powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds to notify rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivy is also waterproof and ultra durable. It's made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat-sealed seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of the Life Bivy is what protects you from hypothermia by reflecting up to 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. So even though it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces, the Life Bivy is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it up, and stuff it back into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add to your bug-out bag, planning for a winter emergency like being stranded in your car during a harsh storm, or need a lightweight emergency bivy to carry in your hiking or hunting pack, the Life Bivy is engineered to stand up to the most intense survival situations and is the emergency sleeping bag for you.
Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm going to show you what's inside the 4 Patriots 4-week survival food kit. Our 4-week survival food kit is designed to last one person a whole month. We have Frank's Favorite Alfredo. This is a fettuccine noodle with a rich cream sauce. Dinner Bell Broccoli Bake. This is broccoli and cheese all put together in a pre-made casserole. Granby Sweet Oatmeal. This pre-sweetened oatmeal is perfect for breakfast. America's Finest Mac and Cheese. This is your classic macaroni and cheese that every kid loves. Buttermilk Pancake Mix. Perfect sweet buttermilk pancakes, easy to make. Creamy rice and vegetable dinner. This customer favorite is rice in a creamy sauce with real bits of vegetable. Fireside Stew. This is a hearty stew that's chicken flavored and stick to your ribs thick. Sweetly coated banana chips. These are snackable right out of the package. Old-fashioned vanilla pudding. This classic is perfect for dessert. Long grain white rice. White rice is a classic across the globe for good reason. Heartland's Finest Powdered Milk. Our customers tell us they love the taste of our milk. Each of these meals is designed to last up to 25 years. That's 196 total servings with 38,000 total calories. All made right here in the USA and packaged in this water-resistant tote. The key to the 25-year shelf life is this Mylar packaging. We add an oxygen absorber just to be safe to make sure your food will last and be there when you need it. I hope you give our 4 Patriots 4-week survival.
Be prepared for an emergency. If you are stuck in an emergency situation, such as a hurricane, storm, snow, and/or earthquake, this radio can actually save your life. It will alert you in advance and allow you to use the radio and the flashlight. Or if there's a power outage, you will be able to charge any other phone as it is compatible with cell phones. No matter in what kind of an emergency you are stuck in, this Kaito radio will always have your back. Equipped with different power options such as solar, crank, battery, and USB AC power, this Kaito radio has got you covered regardless if you require a charger while on traveling, a flashlight in the dark woods, or a reading lamp while you lay in the forest. Your weather guide as well, the Kaito radio comes along with NOAA Weather and Alert.
Take your outdoor adventures to the next level with our Survivor Filter Pro LE. Our sturdy design is very durable and easy to use for anyone who loves the great outdoors, traveling, or emergency preparedness. Upgrades we've made for the Survivor Filter Pro LE include a 100,000-liter Ultra Filter pre-filter, larger hoses, a convenient new hose clip, and a zippered carrying case. Our system has 3 levels of filtration, which include the 0.1 micron Ultra Filter pre-filter. It blocks out large debris and acts like a barrier to help remove harmful bacteria and protozoa that are larger than 0.1 microns. The Ultrafilter pre-filter can be easily cleaned and backwashed after every trip, up to 100,000 liters. By utilizing our cleanable pre-filter system, the life of the internal filters are greatly extended. Next is the carbon filter. This level of protection is designed to improve taste and help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. Finally, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter, which is designed to help remove the remaining contaminants that make it through the first 2 levels. Once the water has passed through the 3-stage system, independent tests have shown a filtration of 99.9% of virus, bacteria, and staph, and a significant reduction of heavy metals, surpassing EPA standards for portable water filters.
If you like to backpack, hike, climb, or run rivers, you need the Ultralight and Watertight 0.7. At a little over 6 ounces, this kit is designed for adventures where every ounce counts and exposure to the elements will be an issue. Inside the 0.7, everything is protected in a tough, Dry-Flex waterproof bag. Everything is stored inside of an ultralight sil nylon bag that is seam sealed to provide layers of protection. Rain, snow, water, sandstorms, nothing will get inside these bags. Inside, you will find quality supplies you have come to expect from adventure medical kits, including butterfly wound closure strips to close wound edges, sterile dressings, bandages, antibiotic ointment, and antiseptic towelettes to dress wounds and help prevent infection. Pre-cut and shaved moleskin blister dressings make easy work of treating blisters and hot spots. No scissors required. Inside are medications for muscle inflammation, pain, and allergic reactions. Our exclusive precision-pointed splinter pickers will help you remove the finest of slivers and ticks. And duct tape for everything else. The Ultralight Watertight 0.7 is designed for 1 to 2 people for up to 4 days. It will help you treat the minor or major illnesses and injuries, and to get you back on your feet, in your kayak, or on your bike as quickly as possible. Tested, abused, and approved by adventure racers all over the world, the Ultralight Watertight series will be up to any adventure you throw at it.